So, woke up this morning and we had our first frost last night. The grass is just covered in like a sheet of ice. As you can see, it almost looks a blue tint because of the ice that's the frost that's actually covering it. And you see the shrubs also. I don't know if you can see that, but they all have a layer of light frost on them, and just all the plants. So I think this is it. The plants will be going dormant because tonight we have another 30-degree night. That's the catmint. The hens and chicks, they're still looking okay there. They're supposed to be cold hardy, but the yarrow is, pretty frosty, crunchy. So the bed is going to go to sleep with everything all starting to get frost. And yeah, that's back there. You see that tall one is the zinnia, and that one too there. The deer have been definitely eating just about everything they can find. But it's the end but I'll show you a few others. So over here, all the plants are really they're just all covered in frost, and that will kill them. They may not look dead right now, but with tonight's frost that's happening, they will die. And back over here are my dahlias, which I have not gotten a close look at yet. They kind of look alive, but I don't think they are. The sun right now is melting the ice that's on them. Yeah. But they're so droopy right now. I don't think, yeah, look at that. That's the zinnia. Here, let me get in the shadow, covered with frost. Maybe they're just standing up because they're all encased in ice. I don't know. But yeah, it soon will be time to dig up the dahlias, see if I'm successful at even maintaining those tubers. So yeah, my dahlias are on the ground over here. They got too heavy, and that one I didn't stake. So yeah, it's on the ground. And yeah, this one, oh yeah. When I touch it, it is like hard, like an ice. Wow. That's incredible. It is so hard. Okay, well, it's definitely got frost. I think the frost tonight will definitely just really kill these. So back here are the hydrangea. So I guess, the leaves never got really their full fall color. Like the ones in the back actually have a lot of sun. And I'll show you that in a second, but there's my foxglove, and yeah, looks pretty droopy. I have to look into whether or not is that something that I cut back for the winter, or I don't know. I don't believe it's evergreen. But anyway, so yeah, the grasses turned a completely different color. And I'm assuming these will die, even though they all look like everything looks like standing in time kind of thing. The Angelonia, I had pulled out because it stopped flowering about a week ago or so. And yeah, so the catmint here encrusted in ice and frost. So, yep, that's it for this season. So I just wanted to finish out here. This is close to the house, and the impatiens are dead for sure. Those will have to get pulled out. The hydrangeas, I'm assuming they're pretty much going to go to bed. Yeah, the leaves are hard. Everything is hard like it was in the freezer and you just took it out, and everything is like ice hard. That's how it feels. And then my poor heucheras over here, look at these. They even change colors. So I think the frost may have finished these. Yeah, so the season is over. Fall cleanup is definitely going to happen because I have to take out a lot of the dead plants, and I'll have to figure out which ones I can cut back, and take care of those. I know some of them I can leave through the winter, but since I have a heavy pest problem, I may not keep as many, or may cut them back now. So I don't know. I'm torn about that one because I do also feel that leaving some of the old dead stuff does help them through the winter. But anyway, thanks for watching. Just wanted to give a quick update on the first frost in the garden. And yeah, so things are going to bed. See you later. Bye.